There are three key rules of modulus function. Number 1, modulus of a real number is always positive. For example, if my number is negative, like -5, then modulus of it will be 5, a positive number. And if my number is already positive, then my result will remain positive, 7. Rule number 2. If modulus of x is equals to k, then it implies that x is equals to k and x is also equals to minus k. Rule number 3. If modulus of x is equals to k, then x square is equals to k square. Now let's use these three rules to solve two examples. Example number 1. Modulus of x minus 4 is equals to 2x plus 1. Find x. Now, important thing is that x could have only one possible value or x could have two possible values. In order to find those values, we can use either of rule number 2 or rule number 3. So now let's solve this question first using our rule number 2. If modulus of x minus 4 is equals to 2x plus 1, then x minus 4 is equals to 2x plus 1 and x minus 4 is also equals to minus 2x plus 1. Let's call this our equation 1 and this our equation 2. By solving equation 1 and equation 2, we will get two possible values of x. So now we use equation 1 to find one value of x. X minus 2, x equals to 1 plus 4 and minus x is equals to 5 or x is equals to minus 5. This is my one possible value of x, but this might not be the correct answer. We have to verify it in a minute. Let's use equation number 2 to find the other possible value of x. X minus 4 is equals to minus 2x minus 1 or x plus 2x is equals to minus 1 plus 4, and that means 3x is equals to 3 or x is equals to 1. That's my second possible value of x. Now let's verify. Checking. I put x is equals to minus 5 in this. It will be like minus 5 minus 4 is equals to 2 times minus 5 plus 1. I'm putting a question mark here because I'm checking if left hand side is equals to right hand side. If left hand side is equal to right hand side, then this value is acceptable, otherwise not. So it will be like minus 9 equals to minus 10 plus 1. And we know by the rule number 1, my answer will be 9 because mod of minus 9 is equals to 9 is equals to minus 9, and left hand side is not equal to right hand side. That means x equals to minus 5 is not a valid answer. Now let's check the second possible value of x. Now I'm checking x is equals to 1. I put x is equals to 1 in my original equation. 1 minus 4 mod is equals to 2 times 1 plus 1. This is equals to minus 3 mod equals to 3. And we know that according to the rule number 1 that mod of minus 3 is equals to 3. So 3 is equals to 3. Yes, in this case my right hand side is equals to left hand side. So x is equals to 1 is a valid answer. So this is my valid answer. So my answer in this case is that x is equals to 1. It is possible that in some questions you have two possible values of x, and in some questions you have only one possible value of x, that is in this case. Let's do the same example again by using rule number 3. So I'm repeating example number 1 once again, and I will solve it now with rule number 3. So according to rule number 3, I will have x minus 4 whole square is equals to 2x plus 1 whole square. I expand them. It will be x square minus 8x plus 16 equals to 4x square plus 4x plus 1. Now let's simplify it. It will be minus 3x square minus 12x plus 15 equals to 0. X square plus 12x minus 15 equals to 0. Now we will find solution of x using quadratic formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. This is plus minus 144 because square of 12 is equals to 144 minus plus because this minus and this minus will make it plus. 12 times 15 is 180 over 6, and this will be equals to minus 12 plus minus 180 plus 144 will be equals to 324 over 6, and this will be minus 12. 324 is square root of 324 is equals to 18, so it will be minus 12 plus minus 18 over 6, and from here we can find two different values of x. So minus 12 minus 18 over 6 will be equals to minus 5, minus 12 plus 18 over 6 will be equals to 1. So once again we are able to find the same value that we have found in our previous attempt of the same example, minus 5 and 1. But remember that these two answers are not correct. Only one of the answer is correct. My correct answer is 1, because if I put minus 5 in my original equation, then my left hand side is not equal to right hand side.